Join me, friends, as I try to decoupage this napkin onto this pretty little basket. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know. And if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so we're going to try this, but I'm going to tell you right now, I tried it 3 different ways, and holy Toledo. First thing I have is a napkin. I got these from Inspired Creations with Paula. I will link to her. She sells them in little packs. It's awesome. Anyways, get that down to 1 ply. Then I'm just using a paintbrush and some water, and I'm just going over the design, what design I want on our basket. Again, I've done this 3 times, so you're going to see different images that I cut out. But anyways, so when you go to do this, this is the cool thing about this. All you have to do is hold your finger, and it kind of directs where the tear is. This way, when you put it on your basket, it's not going to look so choppy. Does that make sense? Now, I got this cute little, I don't know, it's like a rope basket. I got it at Hobby Lobby, and it was super cheap. So first thing I did was I try it this way, just putting the image on and then putting the words are hard. Mod Podge. Goodness. I put the Mod Podge on top, and then I kind of like pounced it with that chip brush. All right, so I thought it was working, but I said, you know what? I don't trust it. So then I decided to do this one. I put Mod Podge on my basket first, then I put the image on, and then I go over that with Mod Podge, and then I use my brush again. The reason why I'm using that chip brush is just to make sure that it goes into the nooks and crannies. Now, again, I'm going to do the same thing. I'll be honest with you. This was a hot mess express. I wish it went better than it did. It looks so easy. I keep seeing all these people on the internets doing this, and it's so easy. And mine kept pulling up. It kept it kept folding. I don't understand. Listen, I'm going to ask in the comments, please, would you please tell me what I'm doing wrong here? Because this was infuriating. Again, I did this side worked better because I put Mod Podge down first, and then I'm trying again to get all of the nooks and crannies. But you'll see, I did over here, and see, look at ripped, and and perhaps it was just one of those days. It could have been just one of those days. I mean, I'm sure y'all have them, right? Where it's like crafting, you shouldn't even try because it's just a hot mess express, and it doesn't matter what you do, it's just going to be poop. Anyways, but I persevered, friends, because I already put Mod Podge on the basket, and I'm like, well, I've already ruined it, even though I didn't pay full price. Hello. But anyways, so you'll see. So I did this. I thought the other side was going beautifully, right? I thought this was fine. I was liking it. I thought it looked pretty good, even though it kept popping up when I put the brush on. And then look at, you'll see it. Hold on. You ready? Oh, I was so mad. I was like, oh, this looks so pretty. I like this. Oh, how fun. And then as I'm turning it around, I see that so look at, do you see it flopping? It totally peeled off. Oh, was I mad. So anyways, I went back and I added more Mod Podge. I let it dry. This is not ideal. Again, if you know the secret sauce, you know the secret handshake to this particular project, please do tell. I haven't figured it out yet. I got enough done so that it worked, but it's not perfect, friends. But it's done, and done is better than perfect, right? Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.